Let us consider an example that establishes the relationship between radian and degree. So, our example is convert the given angles from degrees to radian, and a first angle is, as you can see, 150 degree and a second angle is negative 300 degree. In order to convert the angles from degree to radian, what I'm going to do, I'm going to consider a first angle, and a first angle is, it is given as angle A is basically 150 degree. As we know, if we want to convert the degree into radian, what we do, we multiply the degree by pi over 180 degrees. So if we want to convert 150 degree from degree to radian, what we need to do, we need to write 150 degree times pi over 180 degree. As you can see, there is no number under 150 degrees, so I'm going to write 150 over 1. Now, if you look closely, we can multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to multiply the numerator together first. So if I do that, I will write 150 degree times pi is 150 pi. And in the denominator, I have 1 times 180 degree. I will write 180 degree. And here is also the degree. Now, as you can see, we have a common factor at numerator and denominator. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to first factor 150 and 180. So if we do that, we will write 150 as 30 degree times 5, and I have pi left, over 180 is 30 degree times 6, because 30 times 5 is 150 and 30 times 6 is 180. As you can see, 30 is common at numerator and denominator, so we can cancel this out. And if we do that, as you can see, we have only 5 pi left, so I will write this is equal to 5 pi over, and at the denominator I have only 6 left, so I will write 5 pi over 6. So basically I can write 150 degree, that is equal to 5 pi over 6 radian. So 150 degree is basically 5 pi over 6 radian. Now let's consider the second part, which is negative 300 degrees. So I'm going to write my second part B as angle negative 300 degree, and we know that in order to convert the angle from degree to radian, I need to multiply by pi over 180. So I'm going to write negative 300 degree times pi over 180 degree. Now, as you can see, I have 1 at the denominator with 300. So I'm going to multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. And if I do that, I will write negative will come here, and then I have 300 times pi is 300 degree times pi, and at the denominator I have 180 degree. Now let's find the factors, and if we do that, we can write 300 as 30 degree times 10, and I have pi left, over 180 is basically 30 degree times 6. So as we can see, I can cancel the common term, which is 30 degrees. So this 30 degree from the numerator will cancel the 30 degree from the denominator. The numbers left at the numerator is 10 pi, and at the denominator I have 6. As we can see, I have 10 pi over 6, and we can still find the factor of 10 and 6. So I'm going to write 10 as 2 times 5, and then I have pi left, over 6 as 2 times 3. So as you can see, I have a common factor as 2, so I'm going to cancel 2 from numerator and denominator. And if I do that, only thing left at numerator is 5 pi, so I will write 5 pi over, denominator has only 3 left, so I will write 5 pi over 3. And as you can see, I have the angle as negative 300, so I need to continue this negative all the way across. So I'm going to write negative here, here, and here. So this negative will come over here too. So basically my angle negative 300 degree is equal to negative 5 pi over 3. And this is how I will convert the degree into radian.